When you look at mangroves, you might just see trees standing in coastal waters. But beneath those tangled roots lies one of the most productive ecosystems on our planet. A groundbreaking study from the University of Edinburgh has revealed something astonishing. Mangroves nurture over 700 billion juvenile fish and invertebrates from commercially important species each year. That's nearly 100 times the human population of Earth. These underwater nurseries provide shelter and food for young prawns, finfish, crabs and bivalves during their vulnerable early stages. Without mangroves, many of these species simply wouldn't survive to adulthood. The research identified hotspots in Southeast Asia, where Indonesia alone produces 185 billion juvenile fish annually. Other productivity centers include the Red Sea, Caribbean, and northern South America. But these natural fish factories face threats. When mangroves are fragmented or destroyed, fish populations decline dramatically. This matters because an estimated 260 million people worldwide earn their living from marine fisheries, especially in lower-income countries. The relationship is clear. Areas with extensive healthy mangroves support more fish. In countries like Indonesia and Brazil, mangroves significantly contribute to national food systems. On some islands, up to 80% of targeted fish species depend on mangroves during part of their life cycle. As climate change and population growth increase pressure on our oceans, protecting mangroves isn't just an environmental concern. It's essential for food security and coastal economies worldwide. These quiet forests between land and sea are working around the clock to keep our oceans productive and our plates full. It's time we recognize their true value. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.